going with to the right kind of agencies, maybe we are able to do some organizations and liaisons with the government and other such organizations. A body is required where they. So I think that is my understanding.
Thank you, Priyanka, and appreciate your words of support to what we're doing at Game. And it's heartening to hear. I think the whole idea is to how do we bring more awareness and exposure to things that are happening in the world that can really help entrepreneurs. I also truly believe that OCEN can be a game changer. Just like how UPI changed the whole face of payments in the country, OCEN has that ability, and glad to hear all of you resonating with that as well. Can we then go to Durga and then come to Sumedha?
Yes. Hi. Again, issues with the video. Yeah. So I think in the beginning of the session when I spoke to you all, the first thing I said was there's not enough information, and post these 4 days, at least we've gained a good insight into the options available. Maybe a lot of them are not the best ones. The NBFCs are still something that nobody wants to really go into. We are looking at some kind of support from the PSUs. I think that's what everybody is talking about, right? The PSU banks, basically, because they're more reliable, maybe a little better on the interest rates. Otherwise, we end up paying those really high interest rates. So one small suggestion, maybe if we can make this group strong enough and somebody to support us, like we're like somebody who would pitch all of us to a bank. I think that's what we need, because the bank doesn't believe any of us when we go in with our papers.
Correct.
So if Game could actually put somebody, who's had the experience to pitch to an investor, maybe we have to do that to a bank. I think that's probably our best bet, because NBFC is really all of those who came online yesterday and day before. It's still the same story. It's like really high interest, high risk loans. I think quite a few of us would agree on that too. There.
Yeah. No, I think the Entrepreneur Collective is a powerful idea, Durga. And interestingly, at Bangalore and Ludhiana, Game has started out an initiative called the Accelerator, where we are trying to bring growth entrepreneurs together to help them chart out their own journeys. But in the process, what we're trying to do is to bring the ecosystem together to listen to these entrepreneurs and to design products for them. Clearly, well, Game is doing it in the initial stages from a selection standpoint, where people are applying, we're selecting, etc. But the idea is, imagine an accelerator like this in every town, every corner, every nook and corner of the country, and can local ecosystems be galvanized to support entrepreneurs, right? And I think that's what is required, because for a country like India with a scale size, you can't have a central entity, but can you have at least at a district, tahsil, taluka level? But I think we hear it loud and clear that we need to create a platform where entrepreneurs are able to voice their opinions, what works, what doesn't work, call out, separate the chalk out from the cheese and say, hey, this works, this does not work. Hear you loud and clear on that. Thank you. Sumedha?
Yeah, so adding up to Durga, so we have, for the last few days, we came to know that number of, coming from banking background, the number of NBFC and the fintechs and the XYZ companies, the loans, I think they have become more passionate. Banking industry overall and financial industries has become more sensitive towards MSME. However, everyone was talking, sorry to say, but I found so much conversation was one-sided. They all were saying they want to help, but when one comes to reality, it doesn't work. So I'll tell you, like on the 14th, there was a session of fintechs, right? The innovation has come up, and there was a flexi loan, there was Canara Capital. I immediately did not waste my time. The conversation ended at 11:30. At 12:30, immediately, I think it was a Saturday, I applied for the loans once again. And I thought probably somebody so passionate must be something that might change, because so I think things are not moving. It's everyone is passionate. They're saying they're doing it. The products are there in the market, but they're yet not being dispersed. and the kind of interest rates, they are offering. I think right now the situation is this, that everyone is ready to take, even if it's given at 20%, because many people like me, like we have reached to a level, we are exhausted completely. We don't come with even any kind of asset to show. Forget about a liquid asset. एसेट ही नहीं है, माँ बाप ने तो एजुकेशन दे दिया, वही बहुत था, वही डिग्री है. Thank God we have some background of our coming from good B school. That is the only thing we have as a collateral. However, it is one-sided. Sorry to say, but last 4 days were so. What is happening to see on the ground level? Nothing is working. Yes, everyone says that they are doing too much, but I think they are doing it for people whom they probably, and it is not filtration. The city, being a part of city, and I've seen subprime crisis. When the subprime crisis was hit, at the same time they said हमने collateral देखा, हमने दिया, फिर भी subprime crisis आया था. I was a part of subprime crisis when it happened in 2007 and 8. And I'm again going back to the same level. Right now we are that's why I said we were subprime, now we're in a corona crisis. And still things are not changing. The global plan is too much out there, but the practicality is still not happening. Me coming in like I think all the 10 of the panelists, who everyone is here, has come to game only says कि आप पता यहाँ से हमें लोन मिल जाए, हमारी सिफारिश लग जाए. To be very honest. And that's what we are right now boiled down to, कि भाई हमारी सिफारिश लगा दो, कोई बंदा है तो कोई क्राउड फंडिंग दिला दो, कोई पैसा दिला दो. We've come down to that level.
Two things that we need, actually, what she just said is crowdfunding. If we can make a platform where we, prepare the pitch and put it out, it really works. I've known companies that have crowdfunded. I just don't know how to do it. Second thing, Sumedha, if you really want a loan at 24, trust me, they'll be lining at your door.
No, actually, it is not happening. No, Sanjita, sorry.
Okay, I'll introduce you to a couple who'll be willing, but trust me, you don't want to take it. That's a one-way street that you'll find it very hard to get out of.
No, what I was trying to say, Sanjita, is that, when you are, you
Desperate.
make these decisions. Yeah, these are exactly, these are desperate. You can, the restructuring happens जब आपके पास income है और आप restructure करते हो, क्योंकि आपका थोड़ा payment deficit होता है.
Can I give everyone a tip for restructuring, please?
नहीं.
It was not happening. It was not happening. I wrote to all the MDs and they started talking to me. They were just not doing it. And I have assets and they own my assets. Write to the MD of your bank. I'm telling you, somebody will pick up the phone and talk to you.
Sumedha, I went down that desperate route that you're talking about just a year back and needed a 10 lakh loan pretty immediately, like in 1 month, because we were getting thrown out of our premises at that time. The owner just decided to make it a PG without even giving us any time to move out. So how do you move out with ovens and everything in 1 month and find a space? So that desperate situation was really there. And I took those 24 or 28% loans and agreed to pay back in 1 year. Although I have done it, it was just extremely stressful because since September, the food business has been down. COVID or no COVID, September of last year, the food market has just been going down, downhill. The fact that we've been able to sustain is just because we were doing direct sales more rather than doing commission-based sales. But don't even think about it, Sumedha, really.
No.
Really,
But what I was trying to say about first, कि अभी जो option रह गया है ना, वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ ये fintech, ये जो NBFC रह गया है, to do a bleeding us. And problem क्या है कि कभी भी company, कोई भी banking industry या financial industry में अगर कोई इंटरेस्ट इतना ले रहा है तो उसका एम पता क्या होता है कि आप टॉप अप करोगे. वो चाहता है कि आप साइकिल से बाहर निकलो. तो मैं ये कह रही हूँ, अगर यही एक ऑप्शन रह जाएगा तो एंटरप्रेन्योर कभी भी प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी में जाएगा ही नहीं. प्रॉफिट मार्जिन भी नहीं होता, प्रोडक्ट का मार्जिन ही कम होता है. कपड़े में 30% मार्जिन लेके चलते हैं, 30 से 50%. उसमें तूने 28% दे दिया बैंकिंग इंटरेस्ट को, 12% तूने जीएसटी दे दिया. तुमने क्या कमाया? तुम तो फिर टॉप अप पे गए. मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ, इस समय सिचुएशन, दिस इज not the time where everyone in fintech last 3-4 days, what I'm trying to say is, जो भी आया सिर्फ अपना ये प्रोडक्ट बेचा जिसकी actually is like it's a suicide, like a farmer suicide कहते हैं ना, farmer loan अगर लैंडलॉर्ड में सुना हो, exactly ये है.
इसमें इन्वेंटरी डाला है ना सब साइड में.
क्या? So that is what I'm trying to say कि अभी चाहिए
नया स्टाइल था.
Sorry, I think somebody needs to mute. Yeah.
Okay. So what I'm
Okay.
trying to say is कि this is now so last 4 days मुझको यही लगा कि से कोई भी बैंक चले जाए एक्स कंपनी छोड़ दो मेरा बॉस इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग छोड़ो कुछ भी छोड़ो ये वन साइडेड मोशन रहने वाला है जब भी टॉप मैनेजमेंट बैठती है हम मित्रों करते रहेंगे पर देना कुछ भी नहीं है.
So what you're saying, Sweta, is A, do more, talk less, and do more when it actually meets the rubber meets the road. A lot of things are not happening.
To be honest, मदन जब मैंने आई थी ना मुझे लगा था शायद ये जो फिनटेक के जो बड़े सो कॉल्ड अपने आप के ना हम आप ही के लिए हैं वी आर फॉर द MSME क्या ज्ञान बांट रहे थे मुझे था लगेगा for these particular we are trying to reduce the interest of interest उसकी तो किसी ने बात ही नहीं की. मैं 1 से 30% की बात करो हम या करें वो तो कोई बात लॉजिक कोई बात ही नहीं कर रहा है. मेरे को तो और ये तो इनको ये पता है कि चलो बाकी लोग तो फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन से नहीं है हम जो बोलेंगे बड़े खुशी ले लेंगे. जो बात किया सुधाकर ने सारी कंपनीज में सिबिल होता है राइट उसी तरह हर कंपनी में इनका प्रोफाइल लिस्टिंग की कंपनीज हैं. यू मस्ट बी नोइंग एवरीवन इज देयर जो पोर्टफोलियो फिल्ट्रेशन करती है सबको सिफारिश चाहिए. एजेंट की पहले उनका फाइनेंशियल इंडस्ट्री में जरूरत ही क्यों है. मैं नीरव को कह रही हूँ हाय आपको किसी भीख मांग रहे हैं इस समय ऐसी हालत हो गई है.
Yeah, but they know that, na?
Yeah.
They know that.
Yeah. Correct.
वो 4 दिन से यही मैं कहना चाहती थी कि हम आपको लोन देंगे बिना एजेंट के और हम रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट कम के वो किसी ने बात नहीं की. मित्रों चली जा रहा था हम ये कर रहे हैं हम वो कर रहे हैं.
So Sweta, hold that thought. Let me come back to you. And maybe we'll start the solution circle with you. Okay. We have Ashutosh who has just joined us. Shivang, unfortunately, is facing a lot of connectivity issues. Ashutosh, can you hear us? Let's wait for a second for Ashutosh. Yes.
Yep. Hi, Madan. I can hear you.
Yes, Ashutosh. So we were doing a round on what have been your experiences learning over the last 4 days. So if you can just start off with a quick introduction, two-line introduction, and share whatever experiences, learnings you had. We'll come to the solutions part later.
Sure. So I see there was kind of a lot of discussions around some structural changes, trying to see how we can solve few things structurally, right? Maybe in terms of declassification, some policy intervention, stuff like that, right? So while we that there were from a larger perspective we have to look at, I guess there were talks at least at the right direction. However, I could not figure out specific timelines that by when something worthwhile. While these kind of talks we have been witnessing for quite long. However, no specific timelines or solutions which were visible to me at least. That's where
Okay. So you heard a lot of ideas, solutions, but how will it get implemented? How will it reach me? Which is what most of the other voices on this panel also seem to be saying. Okay. So Subeda, let me start with you. Okay.
Solutions as well, right? Few of the things that they were interesting to look at. Yeah.
Okay. So we'll come back and we have another 15-20 minutes. So we'll do a couple of rounds quickly. Subeda, samjho. Okay. Supposing you were the head of a bank. And you were to lend to entrepreneurs like you.
Yeah.
What would you do? What would you do differently? What would you do differently from what you see happening today?
So, I wish मैं अपनी company में continue करके head बनती.
That's fine. So let's say there's a double role you're playing. You're continuing to run your Braintree brand, but suddenly you inherited a bank and you become the MD of this bank. Right? What will you do to make the life of entrepreneurs like you better? What should they be ideally be doing? I'm putting you in the saddle and saying, hey, what do you think should happen differently?
Can I speak honestly?
Please. I mean, you've been speaking honestly all along. So I wouldn't expect anything else from you.
I think I'm sorry for being so candid, but that's how I am.
No, that's fine. Yeah.
So okay, since when I was
No, sorry to interrupt here, Sumedha. So the idea is,